Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're going to give you a nice, bright, vibrant video of this beautiful 2006 Moffett M50 sitting with 2621 hours. This thing has been completely refurbished and a new paint job put on. What that means is we do a 25-point inspection, make sure that this thing's ready to work. We go through, check the hoses, replace anything bad that we find. Also, this thing has a operational guarantee. What that means is when you get it, it's going to be in the condition that we said, or we're going to help you get it fixed the way you want it. And that means that if it doesn't run and operate when you get it, then we're going to figure out what's wrong. Usually we never have a problem, but when we do, we help you out. We want you to repeat business. This also has, when we do that, we take the cage off, we take the diamond plate off, we take the seat off, we disassemble a lot of parts to get in there and clean it really good and give you a long-lasting, rust-free paint job. This paint is shiny, and if we're outside, it would glisten in the sun. This Kubota engine also gives you a 30-day warranty. So I'm gonna go around and show you everything. We have a nice seat here. Everything's put back together, looking beautiful. You have nice tires all the way around. This is a ready-to-work unit. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can check this out at 99lifts.com or give us a call at 260-238-4998. As you can see, there's some new hoses there, here and there. Wherever we find them bad, we put them in good. Now we're gonna walk around. You can see the rims are painted, nice forks. Everything's looking great. Now, Carrie's gonna give you a special treat. He's gonna hop on here. We're gonna show it you starting this Kubota engine up, and then we're gonna also take it and run it backward and forward so you can see that it runs nicely. The mast's gonna go up and down. We're also gonna show you mast tilt, side shift. We're also going to show you the mast carriage sucks in and out. Bearings are in great condition. Pins are in great condition. She's ready to work. Now this is a nice machine. We drive back and forth. So this is a nice machine. Look at this. Runs so smoothly. Everything's tight the way it should be. Why buy new? Now he's going to go ahead and put the outriggers down and back up again. Those work very good. Now we're going to shut it off. I'm going to finish the video, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to tell you that you can reach us at 260-238-4998. Also, ladies and gentlemen, check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. And if you don't want this Moffett M50, there's other things we have. We carry mostly Moffett, but we also have Princeton forklifts and other brands. And if you don't see something you like on our website, we have 200 units waiting to go through the refurbished process. I bet we have what you want. If you would call, we could get it ready within a matter of weeks. Thanks for checking out this video, and you have yourself a wonderful day.